telling you guys what I'm
Shrimp
gonna
pasta.
cook
Shall I
today.
make shrimp pasta?
No, I'm not making shrimp pasta today.
Yeah,
I'm on a diet.
Italia's famous shrimp
I
pasta.
had a salad today, okay?
With some chicken in it.
With some
Chicken.
With maybe our next guest knows what I'm talking about with nut meat.
I know what nut meat is.
Oh, you know? Okay,
Yeah.
all right.
But
Yeah, okay.
yeah, chicken.
So, welcome back, guys. Now, need help going vegan? We've invited Danishka Williams to help you with starting the journey. Hi, Danishka. Morning. Welcome.
Hi, morning guys. How are you?
Hungry.
We're good. Well, that
Hungry.
too.
Always hungry. if whenever you start an interview with Danishka this time of morning, just know I'm hungry.
Hungry.
Yeah.
So, Danishka, how did you start your vegan journey?
Oh Lord. So
See?
I started my vegan journey. I just got up one day and said I'm vegan.
Just so?
That was it?
So,
And I
so,
just
so,
never
so?
looked back. Yeah, I never looked back. But when I was growing up, my parents, so my mom ate meat, so everything, the beef, the pork, chicken, goat, and my dad only ate seafood. Well, fish to be specific because he's Seventh-day Adventist. So I had a choice between what lifestyle I wanted to live, and I chose the one that my dad was doing. My brother, who lived in the same house as me, chose what my mom was doing. So we're all in the same house eating different things. And then as I left high school, I stopped eating chicken. So I was only chicken and fish from as long as I can remember till the end of high school. I stopped eating chicken. And then 2 years ago, I just said, okay, no more fish. And I never looked back.
Never looked back. How has it been though? Because I know persons when they hear vegan or a healthier way of eating, the first thing that comes to mind is expensive. Like it's expensive and it's time consuming. You know? So how has it been for you?
It depends on what you want to eat and if you eat out a lot. So if you eat out a lot, it's definitely going to be expensive. But we have a lot of new restaurants that are cheap on now. So I can give you a couple of examples. So there's Veggie Campus and there's Miss Mariana's Kitchen. They're a lot cheaper than the restaurants that serve meat, you know, and that's no. So before it was a lot more expensive because I think most persons weren't accustomed to that lifestyle. So it would be viewed as a luxury then. So, you know, luxury is a little more expensive than the norm. But it's becoming the norm, so it's becoming a little more affordable for everybody.
Okay. And you say you just got up one day and you just decided to be vegan. What have you done since then to keep yourself on that track? Because I know a lot of people, when they start on a vegan journey, they go for like 40 days and then them just drop off and say, you know, I want a piece of chicken now, you know.
Well, I was always lactose intolerant. So what persons would have a problem with is dairy. So the cheese, the milk, but I was already not having that. So it was easy for me to just say, okay, no more fish. My last day, I remember I made salmon bites and mashed potato. And I said, okay, tomorrow that's it. And that was it.
That was it.
I just haven't had fish since.
Wow. What are some of the side effects of going vegan?
Side effects?
Yeah, like, I mean, what happens? Do you see it in your skin? Do you see it in your
The
energy
benefits.
level?
Me say benefits.
Right?
Yeah, me say the benefits.
You said the benefits.
man.
You rub your belly like you think you're going to just lose your belly overnight.
Yeah. the tell me about the benefits,
So
yeah.
you definitely see benefits in your skin. Your skin improves, but I never had bad skin because I always ate clean. So I was never able to have dairy. So those are the things that would lead to unhealthy skin. You know, you definitely you feel better. Your body feels better. You have more energy in the mornings. For me, it's morning. So once I have a healthy breakfast, I'm more energized to go through the day. You know, if I don't have a healthy breakfast, then I feel a little lousy. And when I used to eat chicken, I remember I'd still feel a little tired after I eat. So it makes you a little sleepy, but that was me. So everybody's body is different, but I know normally once you have included a vegan lifestyle, you tend to feel a little more energized throughout your days.
Yeah, yeah, and you speak about the body type and it being not for everybody. Is it for everyone, being vegan?
Definitely.
Because, you know, I think about athletes who perform at a high level and they have to refuel their bodies. How does being a vegan help them, you think?
Okay, so I started going to the gym recently and I have some weight goals. So I want to gain a little weight. And what my trainer has recommended is that I have protein shakes twice a day instead of having it once. You know, so there are also plant protein that you include in your diet. Legumes are high in protein, right? And you get those from your plants. So I don't think it's a challenge for anybody. You just have to be committed to the lifestyle and get going.
Okay.
It's pretty
Now,
easy.
now, for persons who possibly want to get going, they've been thinking about it. You know, you try a day here or two, maybe a week, and you just fall off. What are some of the tips and tricks that you could share with them this morning?
Okay, so first of all, you have to want to do it. So once you want to do it, as opposed to somebody telling you need to do this, you need to do this, you find that it becomes easier for you. You are more committed and you remember each day that, oh, I'm vegan or I want to be vegan. I have a particular goal. Once you set your goals, it's so much easier for you. So that's number one, right? I'd also say start playing around with things that the food that you like. So let's say, for example, you like shrimp pasta. Start adding, removing the shrimp and replace it with mushroom and test it out a little bit. So once you start testing out these things and you find that, okay, it's not as bad as people say it may be, then you'll be fine. So that's my advice to person. Start testing it out little by little and you'll be great.
Danishka, like you said, shrimp pasta, and Extol is busting up. Like he's laughing. I feel like you hear about him with the shrimp pasta because that is his thing apparently. Okay.
No, to be honest, my clients, that's their favorite thing. So most persons who have spoken to me so far, they mention that boy shrimp pasta.
The shrimp pasta, boy. The shrimp pasta.
So Danishka, how do you create meal plans, you know, for people like me, you know, who like my shrimp pasta every Saturday?
So I definitely do research. So that's step one. I have to research. So I have a consultation. I speak to you about what you normally eat, and if you have any health issues that you need to tell me about, any ailments, any allergies, and then I prepare your meal plan based on that.
Is it okay for me to skip meals if I'm vegan? Can I skip meals?
Skip meals? I skip meals all the time.
Okay.
But you won't feel away, right?
No, man. Some days are really busy and I end up missing a meal. But whether you're vegan or you're not vegan, it's not recommended to skip meals unless you're on a fast. You know, so you're fasting, then sure.
Oh, yeah, what we're seeing on the screen now looks good. You want to share any of your recipes with us? What is that?
So that's curried mushroom and the quinoa. So quinoa is gluten-free, and from time to time I try out this gluten-free lifestyle. There are some persons who I recommend should go gluten-free. So if you're diabetic, I definitely recommend it.
Okay.
But there are also persons who still love their rice and those things.
Yeah, quinoa. I love quinoa too, girl. That's my jam. I love quinoa.
I'm gonna ask you a while ago. I forget because the food looks so good.
The food looks very good.
We're going days a while ago.
So Danishka, I know that you mentioned a busy lifestyle, right? What's probably one thing that persons could just make quick, easy? You know that when you're having breakfast, like eggs, one of the easiest things that you can make. It takes no time, and it's good in protein. You can have it as a sandwich anywhere you want to, but it's a quick fix, right? What would you consider a quick fix if I'm living a vegan lifestyle?
So for me, a quick fix, I make oatmeal in the mornings, especially since I started the gym. I make oatmeals and I just top it off with my little fruits on top, my berries, my apples, and I put little walnuts, some almonds, that's good fun. Yep, 10 minutes.
All right, so you want to get in, people want to get in touch with you now, because I'm sure people watching this will say, all right, this vegan thing sound like it's
good,
fun, you know?
And
so
easy.
They want to get in touch with you. So how
good. It's so good.
Yeah, man, so how can they get in touch with you?
So you can contact me at 876-420-9135. On Instagram, it's at Going Vegan with Dan. Or if you want to reach my personal page, it's at Danishka Will.
All right, Danishka.
And what other people may not know about Danishka is that she's not just only vegan, but she's big on music. Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah,
yes,
you know,
are.
So look at guitar.
So,
I can only play Redemption song, guys.
Well, you're going to play it this morning.
You're going to play it or you're going to sing it?
I can only play
it. Yeah, you're going to play it this morning.
All right.
Well, you can play it.
No, guys, I do not want to dishonor Bob on his birthday.
No, man. So that's your favorite song?
No, but it's the easiest thing that I found online to learn.
Yeah.
So
you know, so we're gonna have you back for Play Redemption song.
Yeah.
Sure. I will learn the rest of the song.
Come on, Danishka, come on, man. Even sing the chorus.
Just
a little bit. Just a little.
Yeah, man, give her a piece.
Just a little bit.
Let's try. But my nails won't.
Don't worry about it. We're not aiming for perfection this morning.
Yeah.
I can only do the intro.
Yes, man. Yes,
anything.
Anything you want. Yeah, man, we can work
All
with
right,
that. We can work
you
with
get
that.
me. Thank you so much, Danishka, for joining us this
Thanks for having
morning.
me.
Yeah, awesome. Go vegan with Dan. Thank you so much, Danishka.
Yeah,
More on Weekend
thanks for
Smile after the break. You hear that clean? Boom, boom, boom.